I forgot that I was baking this whole entire time. I'm done. So excuse me because I just realized that I've been baking this whole time, so you probably saw the lines down my nose, but I was getting ready and I decided to do this tutorial, so what? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Stephanie Fonseca and today we have a short but sweet video and I'm going to be following a TikTok tutorial, or a TikTorial, such as Soph Does Life called it. I actually got inspiration for this video from her, but I saw this one video on TikTok, and yes, I have stooped that low to get TikTok, where they use these two products from L'Oreal, the Voluminous Primer and the Telescopic Mascara, to create like beautiful full lashes. So if you want to see if this TikTok tutorial or TikTorial actually works, then just keep watching. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and scooch over to this side so that we can both watch the video, and let's go.
Don't you wish your girlfriend had lashes like me? Her should be looking stubby and clumpy. Let me just tell you that these ain't falsy.
Okay, I am one who I hate clumpy lashes. So I am actually a mascara fanatic. I have tried almost all mascaras under the sun. I have my cult favorites. I have the ones that I do not even want to touch. But today we're gonna go ahead and try this TikTok tutorial out. Now I decided to pick up the carbon black. Whoa. The carbon black version, so hopefully it works out. I do not like clumpy spidery lashes, so that is one of the things that I'm the most scared about, but I will have my spoolie on the side so that we can go ahead and brush through our lashes, and usually that gets me even better results than usually, so let's go. So excuse me because I just realized that I've been baking this whole time, so you probably saw the lines down my nose, but I was getting ready and I decided to do this tutorial, so what? Shoot me. But we'll go ahead and use this primer. I usually don't use eyelash primers, so yeah, let's go ahead and coat this bad boy. So give it a good coat all of the lashes. Honestly, I think this is a really good look. What do you think? And I'm gonna go ahead and coat the other lash as well. And if this tutorial goes right, I'm going to end up using my favorite mascara on this eye, and we'll see how that works out. Okay, so there we have it. I'm gonna go in now with the Carbon Black Telescopic. Now, I am usually against these little brush heads, but we will try it out today for the sake of beauty and TikTok, so. I'm fine. It's fine. Wow, this is really lengthening. This gives me baby doll eyelashes. I don't like how clumpy it is though. So let's get this under control. This bottom lash did not work out at all. So I'm just gonna lightly pat so that it is good. Ooh, 1 second. Okay, so I went ahead and found my right spoolie, and I'm gonna go ahead and just take that boo-boo off. And I'm actually gonna go in with the second coat because I really like how this looks. So we're gonna go in with the second coat. This could be good or bad. And spidery lashes, here we are. If you want to get a better look, they're pretty spidery. So here we go with my spoolie again. Trying to make this look a little bit better. And that looks cute. TikTok, what are you doing? You might have done something. So I'm gonna go ahead with my Milk Makeup mascara and do the other eye. So let's see if TikTok is onto something. Okay, time out. TikTok, what are you doing? That looks so freaking good. Oh my, and the thing is, I didn't even need to use my spoolie, so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and wear on this eye. L'Oreal. I don't know what you have in this, but I have just found my favorite lash duo. Like, I've just found it. I'm in shock. Like, these two together. Now, this is a good second. If you do not want to dish out the 12, honestly, if you get the smaller version from Sephora of the Milk Makeup KUSH mascara, to be honest, you're literally at the same price. They're both $12. And this lasts me a hell of a long time. So, to be quite honest, I would say dish your money on these two together rather than the Telescopic, because this clumps up. Now, if you like clumpy spidery lashes, that's all you. I like mine to look kind of fluttery and kind of like falsies. So my little tip of the day is actually going to be get a spoolie, whichever spoolie, or even get the ones from Sephora. Don't steal, just take. So go ahead and just before they dry down completely, just go ahead and just zhuzh through it just to make sure that it doesn't get as clumpy and spidery as usual. But guys, we TikTok have found something. We are onto something. You know, obviously this didn't work out as well as we planned to, but go ahead, try this at home, and then leave a comment on whether or not it works for you as well. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys learned and are as much in awe as I am. And I will see you guys in the next video. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Subscribe right here because we have a lot in store for 2020. I know I've said that a lot, but I appreciate you guys, love you guys, and I'll see you guys next time.